calibration, it's done. So the next step, let's just go ahead and go into our targets, and we'll just go in here into function, then start target. And I am going into nebula because I know which one I am going to do. And I am going to look here for M42, which is the Orion Nebula. And we're just going to click here, Orion Nebula, here we go. Okay, let's just go ahead and confirm. And it's moving there. Found it. Right in the middle of the screen. If you're interested in taking your fabulous images a little bit further and make them look even better, just subscribe to my channel and click like, and I will appreciate it. Thank you for watching.